Good morning, Spencer the Mechanic. Today is the day I'm gonna show you how to fix a flat tire, the air coming out from the rims. This is the product you need. You need the glass cleaner to find where is the link coming out from. And this is the fixed flat. You can get this AutoZone or Home Depot. Try Home Depot, they're cheaper. Alright, here we go. This is the flat coming out from the rim. You spray the glass cleaner around the tire, around the rim, and see the bubble will come out because the air is pushing out. Okay, so far a lot of air coming out from here. As you can see the bubble coming up. All right, so around the rim is linking. You're not gonna find no nails here, no nails there, screw here, screw there, because the flat is coming out from the rim. Let me show you how to do it. We're gonna use this right here. Shake it up, put in here, turn like you're gonna put the air on. Alright, after that, bring this up here, angle like this, push the button. See, it went in. To me, I try to save money, so I'm gonna put only half can. Use for another car later. All right. There we are. Okay, today is May 17. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. I want nothing. I don't want nothing from nothing. I just want to hear my family calling me, that's it, and say happy birthday. I'm happy. My brother, my sister, you know, my mom, my dad passed away, all of this, okay. You know, and this is my daughter, my helper, this is Christiana. Alright, the tire is fixed. You must drive the car around to get the fixed flat or seal the wheels, okay? Seal the tire. If you don't drive around, it's not gonna go circle. So what I do now is just don't do what I do, because you have to check up the car, you have to put on the dry gear, you have to put on the jack stand. These are products I use, okay? Glass cleaner, fixed flat, and me. Cap? And cap. No, that's the cap for the flat right here. Wow, okay? Thank you for watching. Spencer the Mechanic. See you next video. The car is fixed, no more flat. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to YouTube. Say bye-bye, YouTube.